In this video, we will do instant light effect. Let's see how to implement light text effect in Canva like this. So open a blank video page, click on elements. Let's select this image, place it here and increase its size up to the size of the page. Go to shapes, let's select this shape. Place it here and increase its size up to the size of the page. Now click on color. Let's select black color and reduce its transparency. Now click on apps. In the search box, search for typecraft. Write some text in the text box. Now click on font and search for this font, Force Volt 123. Select this font, click on colors. Let's select white color. Click on reset shape, then add to element. Then click on add element to design. It will be added to the page. Reduce its size. Place it in middle. Duplicate this and now click on horizontal. From this point, let's move this point to the left side so that it will look like this. And you apply, it will look like this. Now right click, click on copy, add new page and paste it here. Increase its size and download this. Now click on share, download, select PNG, select transparent background. From pages, let's select second page, done, and then click on download. It will be downloaded. Now click on first page, remove this and add here downloaded image. Click on flip vertical and place it here. Increase its size. Bring it closer to this text like this. From top, bring this text close to this bottom text. Now click on apps. In the search box, search for image blender. Let's select this image blender app. Click on linear. Now from this point, place it like this and this point also. Reduce its strength and click on save button. Now click on share, download, PNG, select first page, done, and then download. It will be downloaded. Now click on this page. Let's remove this and add here downloaded image. Let's click on elements, add another image. Add this image, click on apps. In the search box, search for blend image. Now select this image. For top layer, select this one, and for bottom layer, select this image. It will look like this. Click on add to design. It will be added to the page. Now let's increase its size. It will look like this. So it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.